Hi, today in front of me Motorola Moto G62 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application and in the search bar we should enter green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Now let's click to open the app, tap to enable in settings and near green Apple keyboard we should tap on the switcher, click twice to OK and go back. After that tap to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now we can see that the process is finished and let's go to the app search to see the new look of our keyboard. And we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.